Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF file to a PowerPoint file in iLovePDF in 2026. Now let's get started. Now converting PDFs to PowerPoints is useful when you want to edit presentations, update slides, reuse content, or create new presentations quickly. So to convert a PDF to a PowerPoint in iLovePDF, we're going to open the iLovePDF website by typing in iLovePDF in Google. Then you're gonna click on this website, and then once you're in the website's homepage, you're gonna click on the Convert PDF section. So you can display all the tools for converting PDFs. Now you're gonna click on PDF to PowerPoint. You're gonna make sure to open the PDF to PowerPoint tool. You're gonna click on it. Then you're gonna upload your PDF. You can either upload it from Google Drive, from Dropbox, or you can select a PDF from your computer. Now let's look right here. I'm going to click on this PDF right here. Now you're going to select the page here and click on Convert to a PowerPoint to PPTX. Now the tool automatically creates a PPTX presentation for your documents, and after conversion, you're going to be able to download the file and open it in PowerPoint. Now let's look right here. As you can see, this is a PowerPoint file. We're going to open it in PowerPoint, then review the formatting. Many users convert reports using side decks, lectures, and business presentations. Another huge tip is checking images and text alignments after conversion because some layouts may need minor adjustments. And that's it. Now you know how to convert a PDF to PowerPoint in iLovePDF. And if this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe and comment below the video what file conversion you want covered next. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.